is Mermaid Desea. I've gotten a lot of requests on my Instagram, follow me on my Instagram, to show you all how I do my makeup for underwater performances and land performances. And so this is my look, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. Just note, everything on here is waterproof except for my lips because I'm currently headed to a dry event. So this will work for underwater, this will work for on land, and I swear by it. So come along and join me. Okay, first thing first, I am moisturizing everything here. First my face and then my lips because the water will dry you out. Next I'm putting on deodorant, which you don't need to see. And here I am with my primer that I put on my finger, dab around my face, and use my hands to rub it in. No judgments here. I am not a professional makeup artist. Next I'm taking my eyelid primer and putting that on here. And up to my foundation, I love Fenty Beauty. It is the only one I have found that matched my skin tone perfectly. So I'm wetting my beauty blender to go ahead and blend that foundation in nice and gently. I know you don't want to press on too hard, so I'm always cautious not to be doing that. Next, I'm taking a concealer to match my skin tone and putting it on top of any blemishes or scars that I need a little bit extra coverage on. And again, taking my wet beauty blender to blend that in. Now next, you'll see me grab a concealer that's actually lighter than my skin tone for under my eyes, and I'll add some of the matching one under my eyes before blending that in again with my beauty blender. Now here I am with a concealer that is too dark for my skin tone, so I can use it as a liquid contour sort of thing. Now I have a brush here that I will use to blend that all in. And back to the beauty blender, holy grail. I'm just taking some of that dark concealer and putting on my nose because I like how this shape looks. Again with the brush to blend that in, and the beauty blender, you guessed it. Next I am taking a setting powder and I am packing that all over my face. And here's the base. Now to conquer what I hate most, my eyebrows. First I am taking this spoolie to comb my brows into somewhat of a shape. And taking a quick pencil just to do a gentle outline. This isn't waterproof, so I just use it lightly, so that when I get here to my brow gel, it is easier to fill in, or at least in my opinion it is. And there we go, the brows. Now I'm taking these 4 brushes and my MAC eyeshadow, and I am taking red, and I really pack a lot of red onto this brush here, and I stuff a lot of it into the crease of my eyelid. As you can see here, I'm really just trying to get the most pigment as possible. I am also going to bring this color up a little bit onto my brow bone and onto the outer corner of my eye, slightly into the middle of my eyelid. Now with that all set, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I am gently blending this all out so it's less harsh, which is why it's so important to get a lot of color on there, because as you blend you can see that the color starts to fade a little, but since I put on so much you can still tell that it's a beautiful red. Now I am taking a very fluffy brush and taking a little bit of red and just wrapping it under my eye. Here's the other eye done. Now I am taking that brush cleaned off, putting it in my gold, and just adding that to the inner corner of my eye. I go slightly into my crease, but mostly on that inner corner, and I just work to blend that out. And again, a little bit under the eye. Ta-da, both eyes are done. And it should look something like this. Next I'm taking my eyeliner and doing a nice wing with that. And here I am with my bronzer, and I pack that on too. I make sure to put it under my cheekbones, around the jawline, and up around the temples, putting some life back into my face. And now I'm repeating it on the other side. And a little bit on the nose. Now here I am with my blush. Now with this, I kind of take a combination of every single color and I add it onto my cheeks, as you'll see here. Blush is the one thing I struggle with, so don't try and copy this. Here I am with my highlighter. I pack this on so much. We want that mermaid sparkle. Up here, I put some under my eyebrows, and I do some even on my nose, all the way up the bridge, and above my upper lip. Here we go with some really good waterproof mascara, and this amazing false lash and waterproof eyelash glue combination. Now I'm taking some gems, got my eyebrow pencil again just to mark where the gems will go. I of course take the glue and put those little gems on here. Now I'm still looking for a really good waterproof lipstick, so if you know any, please let me know below. But for now I'm just going to use these two, first with the liner and then with the actual lipstick. I'll just line my lip. I don't go over, my lips are pretty full, and I also don't trust that it wouldn't run when I'm underwater. Here I am putting that on. And last but not least, the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Holy grail, please use it. It sets everything, use a lot of it. And here's the finished look. It should look something like this. Of course you could change the colors, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.